In today's video, we wanted to show you how you can download and install a new font to be used in your BobCAD-CAM software. Now I'm on 1001freefonts.com, and I'm going to pick this dancing script. I'm just going to click download. And if you're using Google Chrome like I am, you'll see it in the bottom left-hand corner of your browser. Other browsers may be in the upper right. We're going to go to open, so we can open that zip folder. And then you just want to double-click on the TrueType font file to install it. It'll open up a window showing you an example of the font. I want to just click Install. Now that it's installed, I will close this file, minimize that, minimize this. We actually need to close our BobCAD software for it to take effect. Let's go ahead and reopen that. All right, now that we have BobCAD open, we're going to go to Create 2D, Text, and if you go to your Windows fonts and click the little drop-down menu, if I hit the D key, it'll take me right to that file. And it works like any other font. You just type right in like you normally would. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to sign up for our new BobCAD-CAM user forum at forum.bobcad.com.